loading paper and confirming or changing the size, type, and color. For best results, after opening the ream, fan the paper before installing it into the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. Do not load paper above the maximum fill line. When you close the tray, the display will show the paper tray properties. Confirm or change the size, type, and color of the paper loaded into the tray. Then touch Confirm. If desired, you can load envelopes or oversized paper into the bypass tray. Lower the bypass tray and slide the support to the left. Load paper into the tray and adjust the guides. When you put paper into the tray, the display will show the properties for the tray. Again, this will allow you to confirm or change the size, type, and color of the paper loaded into the tray. Once the proper selections have been made, touch Confirm. The information needed to make the proper selections for the size, type, and color is located on a label attached to the end of the paper's packaging.